Hi kids. I'm just doing a vlog. Look, you won't be able to see me. You can see my silhouette. To show what the inside of the Waldorf Astoria rooms look like. So as you can see, they're very nice.
I'm building.
Are you building? Let's go see what the bathroom looks like. We've got a storage cupboard here. Let's look in this first. And this is just a closet space with all of our bags. And this is the bathroom. Again, more bags and clutter. I did want to do this vlog when we first arrived, but it wasn't possible. We were too tired and worn out. So this is the shower. I like that. I'm just trying to find the, there we go. I like the pull knob for it. And this is the shower and the bathroom. And this is it. So this is the Waldorf Astoria. We're in room 855 on the 8th floor.